Okay, we're gonna do I've Been Working on the Railroad, first from Rise Up Singing in the key of D. Let's also try the Daily Ukulele version, which is in the key of F. I will note that this has a B flat in it, and so let's talk about B flats. All right, we're going to talk about what to do when you just can't play a chord. I have been playing ukulele for 2 years, and I still am struggling with bar chords. So let's look at B flat, which includes a bar chord. What we're supposed to do is take that first finger and bar the first fret of the C string and the A string. I'm not going to do it even if that's all I'm trying to do, but let's go ahead and do the whole B flat. So we got that there. We put our second finger on the second fret of C and our third finger on the third fret of G. You can hear that pook at the end. So the way I have been cheating it, and it's wrong, but the way I have been cheating it is to, instead of doing that bar chord there, just put the first finger on the first fret of the F and then stack the other two up as before. And then try your best not to catch the bottom string when you strum. So just string the first three strings, you're okay. But when you're strumming, you're often going to catch that A down at the bottom, and A does not belong on a B flat chord. So I went searching on the internet because YouTube is the land of how to fix things, right? And so Pierre Chachet has a video that has 3 different alternatives for how to play a B flat chord. So the first one is to still do that bar chord, and then just stack up this one, but ignore that third finger and only play the 3 bottom strings. And I can do that as a bar, but it's even easier if I do first finger on the E string, second finger on the A string, first frets, and then just pop that third finger up there. And again, only play the bottom 3 strings. That's easy, it sounds great. Easy to find those chords. And I'm only playing the bottom 3 strings to catch a B flat, but if I accidentally play all 4 strings, it's a B flat 6, which is usually going to still work. Okay, so there's a couple alternatives. Another alternative is to slide it down to the 5th fret and make a G shape in the 5th fret. So we've got the second finger on that 5th fret of A, the first finger on the 5th fret of C, and the third finger on that 6th fret of the E string. And that's another B flat to consider. So, I've Been Working on the Railroad, I think I'm going to be trying this one with an occasional B flat 6 thrown in.